By doing that, what you're doing is you are training your brain to think more optimistically. But what you do know is that resiliency absolutely is a skill. It's a skill that anyone can learn, not only to survive, but to actually thrive in life. So I want to plant that seed for you around how you start to look at change in your life. I now need you to change one thing about your appearance. One thing.
It was great to hear some amazing insights from Simon. He's always an excellent communicator. Really learned a lot and enjoyed myself.
Simon was able to have a stand-up and be able to actually engage people to do something, not just listen, to be able to take in what he's actually teaching and practice it.
I really liked it, especially the part about the attitude being part of the thing that makes you resilient to change. The presentation was very engaging. He made a few anecdotes here and there that were very relatable to everyone.
So you need to ask yourself, is my bucket that I have full of resiliency tools to help me get through the changes, challenges and uncertainties that I have in my life every day? Thank you.